If you want to close a Wealthsimple investment account, the process is actually pretty simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to close your account, step by step, and point out a couple of things you should check first to avoid any problems. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see all of your accounts. Find the investment account that you want to close and tap on it. Before you can close the account, you'll need to make sure there are no investments left inside. If you still own stocks, ETFs, or other assets, you'll need to sell them or transfer them to another account first. The account balance must be completely cleared. A good idea is to double check that the account value shows $0. If there are still holdings or pending transactions, the option to close the account may not work properly. Once the account balance is 0, tap the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen to open the account settings. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You should see an option called Close Account. Tap on it. Wealthsimple will ask you to confirm your decision. Before proceeding, make sure the account balance is still 0 and that any scheduled deposits or recurring payments have been turned off. This helps prevent unexpected issues after the account is closed. After reviewing everything, press Close Account to confirm. And that's it. Your Wealthsimple investment account will be closed. Keep in mind that closing an account is permanent, so make sure you no longer need it before confirming. If you simply want to stop using the account temporarily, you may prefer to leave it open instead of closing it. I hope this guide helped. If it did, consider subscribing to Guides and Beyond for more simple tutorials and step-by-step guides.